Hello fellow teachers, in this video, I will be sharing with you on how to edit our school form 1 and how to calculate the learner's age by October 31, 2021 as it is to be recorded in the form. So if you think this video is helpful to you, with a humble heart, I encourage you to finish watching this and share it to our fellow educators. And for you to be updated to all of the educational videos that I will be uploading here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So let's start this video tutorial. This is the example of School Form 1. In the DEPED Memorandum No. 14 series of 2021, it states that learning modality shall be added. Luckily, LIS already updated the learning modality, but not the age to be recorded in the form, which is the learner's age by October 31, 2020. So what we are going to do now is to add another column here. So right click, click insert, then click entire column. There you have it. So what we are going to do now is to merge and center. Merge lang po natin ito as well as this one, as well as this one, and this one, and this one. Merge lang po natin. Merge and center. Then, for the sake of this video tutorial, meron lang po akong 4 na estudyante. Asuncion Juan Tamad, Ambak Chinese Garter, Male 1 and Male 2. In this portion here, lalagyan natin siya ng age as of October 31, 2020. So that's it. Na-edit na po natin siya. This is my input data. Sa ating LIS, wala talagang input data. What I did was, I just click insert worksheet here and rename it as input data. In this input data, let us assume that Asuncion Juan Tamad, the date of birth is January 18, 2010. Ambak Chinese Garter is June 29, 2009. Male 1, December 2, 2009. Male 2, March 21, 2010 respectively. And the date as of is October 31, 2020. So now, I'll be going to teach you how to calculate the age of our learner as of October 31, 2020. So, what we are going to do, click equal sign in our keyboard, then type dated diff, open parenthesis, you click the date of birth, Asuncion Juan Tamad, which is B3, put comma, then click C, under C, C3, then comma, then you add quotation mark, put capital Y, then another quotation mark, then close parenthesis, then click enter. So that's the age of our pupil or age of Asuncion Juan Tamad. So what you are going to do is to put your cursor here, drag it down so that it will automatically copy the same formula that we have. So that's it. This data here will reflect to our school form 1. And how are we going to do this? So we will now proceed to our form 1. So say for example this one, Asuncion Juan Tamad. So wala pang data yan. So what we are going to do, click equal sign, then after clicking, andito na, proceed to the input data, click D3, this one. After clicking, as you can see, lalabas dyan, input data. All you have to do is to enter. So meron na siyang age as of October 31, 2020. So what you are going to do, same process, drag it down. There you have it. Hopefully it helps. I am Teacher Nan. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video tutorial.